Start by taking your legs and pushing the pin in and installing all 4 legs down so they snap into place here, and repeat for all 4 legs. Next, you'll just want to flip the chair over so you can move on to the next step. Next, you'll install the armrests on each side. Again, there'll be push pins underneath. Just push down after you've got them inserted. Push it in until you hear both click. There we go. And lastly, you'll just want to install the backrest the same way you pretty much installed the armrests. Just inserting it here, pushing down the push pins to make sure it clears, and then push in until it clicks. Then you can adjust your height by going up or down. And just make sure you repeat and find the same height for all 4 legs. And then you'll find your swivel knob here on the side. You just pull it out and you can rotate 90 degrees all the way around.